This video shows you how to use the calculated fields, filter, select columns, and rename columns steps in Analytics Builder. Use these steps to build a clean dataset in Brightspace that includes a list of courses and users enrolled in them. This workflow helps you to add data points, such as the last course access date, the number of students and instructors in each course, and key user details. Begin by listing all available org units in your dataset. In the Preview pane, review the results and note that multiple org unit types appear, not just courses. Some courses in the dataset have been deleted and should not be included. Some courses are not marked as deleted but include a recycled date. These recycled courses should also be excluded. To identify them, click the plus icon on the canvas and choose Add Calculated Columns. In the Configure pane, click the Calculated Column button. The Add Calculated Column page opens. Select or type ifelse and functions to determine whether a course has a recycled date. At the bottom of the editor, review the function description and syntax. If needed, select Learn More to open detailed documentation for the function. For this example, replace the parameters in the if-else syntax as follows. In place of if, type is null, recycled date. In place of then, type 0. In place of else, type 1. As a best practice, rename each step as you build it. Clear step names make the workflow easier to read, understand, and maintain over time. Once all required fields are available, apply the full set of filter conditions. To focus only on courses, add a filter condition where type equals course offering. To remove deleted courses, add a filter condition where is deleted equals 0. To remove recycled courses, add a filter condition where is recycled equals 0. These filters ensure that only active, non-recycled courses remain in the dataset. Clean up the dataset by removing columns you no longer need. To do this, add a Select Columns step. Select only the columns required for your analysis. Since you'll add user-level details later, some column names may become misleading. To improve clarity, add a Rename Columns step. Update column names so they clearly reflect their meaning in the final dataset. Now you know how to use calculated fields, filter, select columns, and rename column steps in Analytics Builder to build a clean dataset in Brightspace. Thanks for watching.